It's wet coming in, might be wet later today.
It's feeling tropical out there, guys. We had the remnants of Nate that brushed past us, is now well up into the north, but the humid air mass still in place.
Okay.
Tropical's a nice word for it, too.
Yeah, it just is nasty. It shouldn't feel like this on October 10th. It should be cool and crisp. It's not going to feel that way for a while now, guys.
Okay.
Let's check out our newest tropical system to talk about. This is our 15th named storm, Ophelia, way out there in the Atlantic. No need to worry about it because you see the forecast track. Although it does strengthen to a Category 1 hurricane, it is going to stay well away from any land masses, so no worries there. We just have showers and a few thunderstorms on the way for today. As we heat things up this afternoon, we'll be back into the middle 80s, well above that average of 72 for this time of the year. It does look like this kind of unsettled pattern will break down late Friday into early Saturday, and much of the weekend I think will salvage, especially Sunday. I think will be the better half of the weekend if you have plans. 79 degrees outside already this morning, a dew point of 75. It smacks you in the face right when you walk out the door this morning off to work and school. Also a few showers with you if you're south of the border or really right along the state line from Virginia to North Carolina through Murfreesboro, Bartonsville, Reynoldson, over towards Parker's Fork, just north of Gatesville right now. And these will be sliding into South Suffolk and South Chesapeake in just a short while. Also had another one moving through central Virginia Beach in the last hour and a half that has zipped quickly off to the east and offshore now. There will be more that develop. There's a lot of clouds out there right now, but those should part ways at times, allowing some sunshine to get on through, and that'll cook things up. And with all the humidity around and the temperatures in the mid-80s, almost a summertime setup, that'll flare up some thunderstorms later on today. You'll watch it here on Futurecast. Had that first batch this morning. They weren't quiet late morning and early afternoon, but once we get that daytime heating underway, you start to see a few more starting to pop up here, and the brighter colors indicating the chance of some thunderstorms, but certainly some heavy tropical-like downpours embedded in within those. Sunsets, we lose the daytime heating. Things kind of quiet down overnight with the exception of a few isolated showers. And then we do it all over again tomorrow with temperatures back up into the low to middle 80s yet again. So today, high of 85, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and storms, most of those into the afternoon, although we are seeing a little bit of a batch moving on through this morning. And then tonight we drop down to 70 with an isolated shower or two still remaining. Mild but very muggy still. Here's your 7-day forecast. Tomorrow back up in the 80s, a high of 83. But notice the shower chances kind of tick down each day as we get closer to the upcoming weekend. Even a little bit cooler by Thursday and Friday. We're back in the 70s as a cold front dips to our south. It lifts back northwards as a warm front during the weekend. And look at that. We're back in the mid 80s by Sunday. I think that could be the only dry day of the next 7.